Hi, I'm Annabelle from Arabian Travel Market, which I'm excited to say is celebrating its 25th edition this year. As an ATM exhibitor, your lead generation and networking opportunities start the minute you book your stand. I'm here to give you an overview of exactly what those opportunities are and how to access them to start getting your return on investment as soon as possible. Step 1 in making sure you make the most of your opportunities is to log into the Exhibitor Portal and complete your exhibitor profile. You have the opportunity to really make your company stand out to new and existing customers by uploading your company description, logos, videos, press releases, and more. Remember, the more complete your exhibitor profile is, the more views it will receive on the ATM website. It's worth noting that this information is also used in the official catalogue, so ensure that all information is up to date, accurate, and as detailed as possible. Also, if you are going to have any entertainment or performers on your stand, you do require a permit. All entertainment permits need to be applied for by the 29th of March. As an exhibitor, you have the opportunity to invite people that you would like to do business with to ATM. These can be current or potential customers. Using the Invite Your Clients tab within the Exhibitor Portal, you have the option of inviting your clients one by one or in bulk via an Excel spreadsheet. Once your client's details have been uploaded, you can then send a personalised email to each contact. You will also then be able to see the status of each contact and whether they have registered to attend ATM. By using this quick and easy function, you are not only able to invite your clients and track their registration, but you are also ensuring that your clients know you will be present at the event. My Event is an online diary to schedule your ATM appointments and can be accessed via the Exhibitor Portal or ATM website. My Event allows you to easily search and contact attendees to arrange potential business meetings. You can also search the event programme and add conferences and seminars of interest to your calendar. My Event also provides recommendations of buyers and visitors that you may want to contact. Your recommendations are based on mutual product interest, main company activity, and geographical regions. My Event is a place to manage your entire exhibition diary on one platform. ATM speed networking events are a great way of getting in front of a lot of key buyers and influencers in a short space of time. You'll spend 5 minutes with each buyer or digital influencer to establish if there's an opportunity to do business together. If there is, you can follow this up after the session at the relevant stand. This year, there will be 3 ATM speed networking sessions. The first session to take place will be on Sunday, the 22nd of April from 9:30 to 11 AM. Here, 100 buyers will be organised and seated by the geographical regions they want to buy from. The second session to take place will be on Wednesday, the 25th of April from 10 till 11 AM. Here, 100 buyers will be organised and seated according to the product type or vertical they wish to buy from. This, for example, will include responsible tourism, luxury, and travel. The third session will also take place on Wednesday, the 25th of April from 10 till 11 AM. This session will be focused on digital influencers and will host over 50 travel bloggers looking to do business with ATM exhibitors. Speed networking is a very busy and popular event, so we suggest that you arrive 30 minutes early to secure your entry. To find out more about why speed networking is so valuable to you, take a look at the speed networking page on the ATM website. So that was an overview of some of the lead and networking opportunities available to you. Get started now to make the most of your ATM experience.